Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. How much is the Zelle rate per dollar? Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about what Zelle is. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's a great way to pay friends and family, or to split bills with roommates. So, back to the question, how much is the Zelle rate per dollar? The good news is that there is no Zelle rate per dollar. Zelle does not charge any fees for sending or receiving money. However, there are a few things to keep in mind when using Zelle. First, you will need to link your bank account or debit card to your Zelle account. Second, you can only send money to people who have a Zelle account. And third, there is a daily and weekly limit to how much money you can send. Here are the current limits for Zelle. Daily limit, $500. Weekly limit, $2,500. If you need to send more than $2,500 in a week, you will need to contact Zelle customer support. How to use Zelle? Now that you know the basics of Zelle, let's talk about how to use it. Here are the steps. Download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play. Create a Zelle account using your email address or phone number. Link your bank account or debit card to your Zelle account. Find the person you want to send money to and enter their email address or phone number. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Click Send. That's it. The money will be transferred to the recipient's account instantly. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Zelle, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. In addition to the information in the script, I would also like to add that Zelle is a safe and secure way to send money. All transactions are encrypted and protected by a multi-factor authentication system. If you have any concerns about the safety of using Zelle, you can visit their website or contact their customer support team. I hope this additional information is helpful. Thanks for watching.